A stable community is one where all species and environmental factors are in balance, with fairly consistent population sizes. The populations of different organisms will vary slightly, but normally they remain in a certain range. So what is it that leads to communities being stable? We see much interdependence in these communities, and as a consequence, all the species are in balance with each other. All of the organisms on the screen depend on each other for resources, and they're balanced, which means that small changes in the number of one species will cause small changes in the population of another, which will then allow the original species to rebalance in numbers. What classic example of this might we see? You don't need to learn specific examples for the exam, but you should be able to discuss the interaction of organisms within a community. A classic example can be seen with lynx and snowshoe hares. The populations vary slightly, but they're in balance with each other. So the snowshoe hares are preyed upon by the lynx. When there's a larger population of snowshoe hares, this means that more lynx are able to be sustained because there's more prey available for them to eat. With more predators, this drives a decrease in prey populations, which in turn drives a decrease in the number of predators that are able to survive. This reduction in predators relieves some of the pressure on the prey population, allowing it to grow again. This cycle continues with the predator and prey population fluctuating in relation to each other. How might we see this data presented? Here we can see a typical predator-prey cycle. So the dotted line shows the prey population, which in this case is the hare, compared to the predator, which is the lynx. This data covers the year 1845 all the way through to 1935. And the numbers of prey and predator are shown in thousands. At this point, you can see that as the numbers of prey increase, after a short lag, so do the predator numbers. This increase in predators results in fewer prey as they're being eaten more due to the larger number of predators. As the number of prey decreases, eventually there won't be enough left to keep all the predators fed, so their numbers will drop, allowing the prey numbers to recover and the cycle begins again.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!